Now students, I am going to tell you about the first type of public sector undertakings, that is the departmental undertaking or the departmental enterprise. Departmental enterprise, students, that it is totally under the control of the government. These are the government organization or the different departments of the government which are under the central or the state governments and under the some headed by some ministry. So these undertakings are either run by the central government or either run by the state government. And the employees, those who are working in these government undertakings, these departmental undertakings are known as the government employees. They are appointed by some particular examination, that is the examination of the IAS or the UPSC or something like that, and then they get the job in that organization and they become known as the government employees. So these employees or the officers run the working of these departmental undertakings, and the management is totally under the control of the government. That is, it is not a separate institution. It is not having any separate legal entity. That is, it is run by the government and it is under the control of the governments, and everything will be done by the government only. So these departmental undertakings, there are different types of different department undertakings also, like the post and telegraph, railway, etc. These all are the undertakings which are run by the government, which are known as the government undertakings. So what is departmental undertaking? These enterprises are established as departments of the ministry, are considered a part of an extension of the ministry itself. That means ये जो departmental undertakings हैं, ये जो है they are established of the different departments of the ministry. ये government की जो different ministries होती हैं, they are having some different departments and they are starting these enterprises, these undertakings at different areas also, and they are totally run by the government. They are the extension of the ministry. Like railways है, railway जो भी है totally it is under the control of government. Post and telegraph departments are there, and there are so many other departmental government departments organizations are also there, which is known as public sector undertakings, and they are totally run by the government. Now what are the features of departmental undertaking? Departmental undertaking की जो features है, first is the funding of these enterprise come directly from the government. इन एंटरप्राइजेस में जितना भी पैसा जो लगाया जाता है, दैट इज टोटली इट इज गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ही लगाया जाता है. गवर्नमेंट अपने पैसे को इसमें इन्वेस्ट करती है. मीन्स द वॉट एवर द फंडिंग दैट इज केम फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड ओनली, and it is sanctioned in the budget also. The government is making the budget, and in that budget he is sanctioning that particular amount कि उसको इस particular undertaking में इतना पैसा लगाना है. And also whatever the revenue collected from these departmental undertakings, इसमें जितना भी इनकम होती है, रेवेन्यूज आते हैं, वो सब भी गवर्नमेंट की ट्रेजरी में, गवर्नमेंट के पास ही चले जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स these undertakings are the finance is done is arranged from the government side only, and whatever the income, whatever the revenue scheme, that is also goes to the government treasury. Next is accountability and accounting and audit. These undertakings are necessary that they should make the account, they should publish their accounts, and they have to do the auditing also. Means whatever they are working, we should be properly checked, properly audited, and they have to prepare the different types of accounts also. Now the appointment and transfer. In these are the departmental organization, और इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो भी काम करते हैं वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज कहलाते हैं. बट दीज गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज आर नॉट अपॉइंटेड. एनीवन कैन नॉट बी द गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज. For becoming the government employees, for becoming the member of that particular departmental undertaking, the person should be facing an exam. He have to face an interview, and after selection he will appointed, he will get the job, and then he will working in these departmental undertakings. And maybe they are having different departments also, so they will get the transfer also in some other states also, some other region also. So this appointment and transfers, there are different criteria is there in that particular departmental organization. Next is the management by the government. Totally these are the departmental undertakings. गवर्नमेंट की अंडरटेकिंग्स होती हैं और गवर्नमेंट ही इसमें पैसा लगाती है, प्लस गवर्नमेंट की इसमें जितनी भी इनकम होती है वो भी गवर्नमेंट के पास जाती है. तो इसमें गवर्नमेंट जो है, दैट इज ऑल द मैनेजमेंट इज डन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. वॉट एवर द डिसीजन टेकन शुड बी बाय द गवर्नमेंट साइड ओनली. गवर्नमेंट ही इसमें डिसीजन लेती है, मैनेजमेंट करती है, एंड जितनी भी इसकी सब डिविजन्स हैं उनको भी ऑपरेट गवर्नमेंट ही करती है. That means the management by it is done by the government only. It is controlled by the government. Whatever will be the expansion of these department undertaking, that decision is also taken by the government only. So these are the features of departmental undertakings. That departmental undertakings का मतलब है कि गवर्नमेंट की जो गवर्नमेंट, देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट लाइक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. So these government departmental undertakings are either run by the state government or either by the central government. So उनके अपने अपने rules and regulations होते हैं. They are making some rules and regulations and they are working according to the set rules. अपने rules के according ही वो work करती हैं and they are basically run for the public welfare. Many people are getting jobs in these departmental undertakings. They are knowing as the government employees. They are having their fixed salary and they are working for these departmental undertakings. There are different departments are there and the work is going on in these different departments. So this is departmental undertakings that is totally controlled and run by the government. And these are the features that फंडिंग इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड. गवर्नमेंट बजट में जो जितना भी अप्रूव करती है उसमें उतना पैसा लगाती है, प्लस गवर्नमेंट उसमें प्रॉपर अपॉइंटमेंट्स करती है. इसमें गवर्नमेंट के जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं और द एम्प्लॉयज़ दे आर वर्किंग इन दीज डिपार्टमेंटल अंडरटेकिंग्स एंड ऑल्सो they have transferred also in some other places also because these are having their different branches in other areas also. And also totally it is run and managed by the government.